Welcome. In the next few minutes, we'll master the 4 essential Linux navigation commands. ls for listing, cd for changing directories, pwd for printing your current path, and tree for visualizing folder structures. Stick around as we break each one down with clear examples. Finding the right file or folder in a deep directory can be frustrating. Without proper navigation commands, you waste time typing paths or guessing locations. This video shows how simple commands can eliminate that hassle and make your workflow smoother. First, let's overview each command. ls lists directory contents. With la you see hidden files and detailed info. cd changes your working directory. You can use absolute or relative paths. pwd prints the full path of where you are. Finally, tree displays a hierarchical view, and l lets you limit depth. Example, we start with ls, la to list everything in the current folder, then cd into /path/ to /dir to move there, followed by pwd to confirm our location. Finally, we run tree, l2 to display the directory tree2 levels deep, illustrating each command's output. Here are some best practices. Always use la with ls to avoid missing hidden files. Remember that cd without arguments returns you to your home directory, and verify your location with pwd before running destructive commands. With tree, avoid overly deep scans on large systems. Use l to limit output and keep it readable. That's a quick tour of ls, cd, pwd, and tree, your core toolkit for Linux navigation. Practice these commands, combine them for powerful inspections, and you'll move through the file system with confidence. If you enjoyed this guide, subscribe for more Linux tutorials and hit the bell for updates. Thanks for watching.